Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you the process on how to invite your friends on Discord through a link. So let's get started. First of all, open your application Discord. You'll be landing on this home page. Click on three horizontal line on top left corner. Different servers that you are connected to will be visible to you. Select the server that you want to invite to your friends. So I would like to invite my friends to this server. At the top, click on invite. As we're looking on how to invite your friends on Discord through link, all you have to do is click on copy link. Once the link is copied, you can invite your friends through any social media. So if you click on share, different application of social media will be visible to you. So I would like to send the link through Messenger. You can go back and open the application Messenger. Once you open the Messenger, you need to go to the inbox of the person that you want to invite on Discord. So I would like to invite this person to my Discord server. So in order to invite this person through link, all you have to do is paste the link that you just copied before and send it to this person. So there you go, you have successfully sent the invitation to this person through link on Discord server. And if you want to send the link through any other social media, all you have to do is follow this same process. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.